everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with a layout today, and this one is going to be a quick one. So I have that background piece of paper, and the background piece of paper, the paper I'm matting my photo on, which is the pink cross paper, which is Illustrated Faith She Blooms. It's the Take Root pink paper. And then the important part of this, other than the very darling photo of my granddaughter, is that background paper, which is Bella Boulevard Make Your Own Mark, and it's the Impossible paper. And the reason I selected this is because of that saying on it in gold that says "Be impossible to forget," and this is like the perfect photograph for that title. And she is kind of impossible to forget, in all seriousness. She's just got a big personality. So to help separate the matte from the actual background paper, because they're very similar in color, I'm going to use my Dewdrop Gray Flannel ink. And then I'm looking at these, I don't even know what you'd call these little ruffled hearts, I guess. And they've got gold in them. And I'm thinking about putting those down on the layout here. Those were from Hobby Lobby. It was a Valentine's Day collection from quite a while ago. And then I also have these gold bows. And once I put those on, I decided I wanted to use those. I thought the hearts, this paper background is so busy, I thought the hearts added to the busyness in this particular case. So I chose these gold bows from Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby's store brand. It's the Spare Parts Collection, the solid gold paper bows. So pretty simple there. And the other thing about my granddaughter is she has very curly hair, and it's just she's pretty young yet, and it's at a length right now where it can get in her face pretty easily. So she most often wears a bow on either side. So putting those gold bows is very totally her personality. So now I am taking these chipboard hearts from Studio Calico, and yay me for using these. I've had these forever. I just need to get them used up and try to remember to put them on more layouts. So I'm going to add one in a couple of places, just where it felt like, I don't know, like they were good places to add them. So two of them are on the title to kind of draw attention to that. And then the other three of them go in places where there's kind of gold splatters, or it looks like gold splatters on this paper. I mean, the nice part about this is that it's doing a lot of work for me. Now, my ATG, you saw that right at the beginning, ran out, and I knew this was going to be a quick layout, so I didn't feel like changing it and making that, you having to watch all of that. So I'm just using my Scotch Quick Dry adhesive here. And when you have a layout or a background paper where it's busy like this is, it's very watercolored, lots of color, it's great to, to use simple embellishments to keep the focus more towards the photo. And in this particular case, because that photo is a different color, the green, it's a little bit darker than what's going on in a lot of this photo. It really works. I think you'd have to be careful with this. If you had a busy background paper with greens in it, you'd totally lose the photo, but it works in this particular case because the background is the pink. And she does have a pink skirt on and pink shoes. So, that's one of the reasons I chose the pink. She also loves pink. She's all about pink right now, which is, little girls, that's a cool thing. All right. So I believe I'm just getting this last heart down here. And just taking a look at this, and I think I got some glue on, kind of smushed out from underneath some of those hearts, so I just wanted to make sure that you couldn't see it on the paper on the front. Again, using more of my Scotch Quick Dry adhesive. And then I don't really have a lot to say here because it's really just a great photo of her, and I think the title itself is exactly what I would want to say. She was just on a walk with her mom with the awesome sunglasses on, and that body language there. So anyway, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another Light Again soon. Bye, everybody.